The Ria Money Transfer Card offers a convenient way to access transferred funds. It works like a prepaid debit card, allowing you to withdraw cash from ATMs, make online purchases, and shop in stores worldwide. One of its biggest advantages is fast access to money sent through Ria without needing a traditional bank account. The card is easy to activate and often available instantly after the transfer is processed. However, users should be aware of possible fees for ATM withdrawals, inactivity, or card issuance. While it's ideal for quick access to cash, Wise or other digital wallets may offer lower fees for frequent users. Overall, the Ria Money Transfer Card is a solid choice for speed and convenience, especially for international recipients. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy guides on money transfer services.